why would you want to choose Python? So there's lots of reasons, and here are some of my favorite pros for using Python. One, it has just a humongous standard library, so just common tasks are already in the standard library for you. And what's really nice and what's really important, it has good quality documentation for that standard library. So you don't need to spend a lot of time trying to figure out how something works. Python has a built-in help system and really good quality documentation, so your questions are quickly answered just by using the programming language by itself. So you don't even have to reference like Stack Overflow or Google around. What's also really nice is that there's tons of third-party modules, but basically if you're thinking of a common task, someone's probably already written that task for you in Python, so you can easily just download it off of some online repositories such as GitHub, or Python also has its package management system called PyPy. So what's really important about Python is that there's an emphasis on code readability. So that saves you a lot of development time. And the reason that that's so important is because Python, if you look at a couple of examples of it, it almost reads like pseudocode versus other languages such as Java or C++ are a lot more difficult to read. So that's going to save you a lot of development time. So your developers can quickly read code, know what's going on, and write any fixes or additions that they need to do. And this is important because there's a lot more time spent reading code than writing code in most situations. You're usually reading either someone else's work or your own previous work to try to figure out what you need to add. So that's really important because Python is probably the most readable language. It also has a really broad range, so you can use it from little shell scripts all the way to enterprise web applications, and it's extremely popular in the scientific fields. And it's also really popular in data science. And what's probably the best thing about Python, it's very easy to learn quickly. So you can learn Python really well in just a couple days, and that's due to how readable it is.